They're gonna turn on the lights. They're gonna start the white smoke, and there's the white smoke right now. And you can see that they're gonna put their white smoke on. They're gonna put their colored smoke soon, and then we're gonna see as they show up. But now to make sure the red arrows in NASA that you see if you see. Warrior 100 in the trail. Red one leading the formation. Got the trail and Robert. Call sign Tango. And it's a Centennial Hornet. Captain Caleb Cruz and Robert. Call sign Tango. And it's a Centennial Hornet. Now going back to the narrator. Number 11, Red 10 supervisor. Up to Royal Air Force, they're about to keep the rear.